Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice with egg. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a hot wok, add minced garlic and scallions, and sauté until fragrant. Push aromatics to the side, pour in beaten eggs, and scramble quickly so they stay soft. Add day-old rice and toss vigorously to separate grains. Finish with soy sauce, a splash of sesame oil, and a taste test before serving. In this video, I will explain how to make fried rice with egg. Maintain very high heat and a dry pan to get that slight char and non-mushy rice. Stir constantly and use quick wrist motions to toss rice without smashing the grains. If you like distinct scrambled egg pieces, cook eggs separately and fold them in at the end. Adjust seasoning with soy or salt for a balanced finish. In this video, I will help you make fried rice with egg taste fresh and customized. Mix in cooked shrimp, chicken, or tofu for protein, or keep it vegetarian with extra vegetables. Frozen peas and carrots are perfect additions that need no thawing. For a richer flavor, add a little oyster sauce or fish sauce sparingly. Garnish with sliced green onions and a few drops of toasted sesame oil before serving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.